Shoot. Welcome back to another video, everybody. I'd like to thank you all for hanging out with me tonight. We go for a nice little ride. I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing. We're at 223 subscribers, so that's incredible. We've been growing at an astronomical rate, so I'd like to thank everybody who hits the like button and subscribes. It means the world to me as a small creator. Might not have a whole lot to say tonight, I'm not sure. We'll see what we can find on our ride, but kind of in my head tonight. Everybody kind of goes through it, right? We all go through our ups and our downs, but today I'm not feeling the uppitiest, but nothing to do with the making the videos or nothing, just more of my own personal life, my own personal things, right? But I don't know, we all go through our ups and our downs. All we can think of is we got to remember the reason we have our downs is to see how high our ups really are, because if we didn't have our lows, our highs definitely wouldn't feel so high. Trust me, if you're always on top of the world, eventually on top of the world would feel normal. So you got to come off the top of the world to remember that you were there in the first place. Just always got to remember that everybody has their lows, and it's just to show you how good your highs really are. It's all I can remind myself of every night. And every time I get in a low spot, I just think about it. Your lows will only last so long. Positive mindsets, right guys? Positive mindset. See what's going on downtown. It's the one thing riding's good for, though, is clearing your mind. If you're feeling a little low, get on your bike and forget the world exists. Well, maybe don't forget the world exists, or try to look out for crazy drivers, but you know what I mean. It's a very relaxing experience, to say. Ooh. Gotta love our downtown roads. There's quite a few people out tonight. It's not empty. Making sure his shoelaces are tied. I'm sure that's what he was doing. Puppies looks like a full house. queue's open tonight. I wonder if tonight the bars will stay open till 4 in the morning or not. So, you know, Doug Ford extended all our hours by 2 hours. At least it's turning out to be like a really nice night for a ride, because I almost didn't come for the ride. I went to go walk out of the house and it was sprinkling at my place, so I was like, oh man, I don't know, but mentally I could just really use the ride to just clear my head. So I was like, you know what, if I get a little wet, I get a little wet. I need it. It's like therapy to me. Just kind of gives your mind something else to think about other than the bullshit in your life. 1 second. Oh, my face is itchy in a weird spot. Oh, I think I managed to get it. Like I said though, I'd like to thank everybody who likes and subscribes on my videos. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. It's nice to have the company. If you guys got any ideas for videos or anything, you can let me know, because I'm always interested in making new videos that you guys want to see, or new topics or anything. If you guys are interested in knowing anything, just, you know, put it down in the comment section. Maybe I can make a video about it or let you know. Or I like hearing back from you guys. All the positive feedback's been amazing. Because not only have you guys been liking and subscribing, but the comments have been overwhelming and heartwarming, to say the least. I really do appreciate it, guys. I'm glad you guys enjoy the videos. So wasn't a whole lot going on downtown. It just seemed like the bar life kind of thing. Pepe's had a little bit going on, but hope you guys have made it to this point in the video. I'd like to thank every single one of you. You guys are the real OGs. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for riding with me. Peace out, guys. Off to the night we go.